area somewhere and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video, and hit the like button if you like today's video. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup would you rather while I do my makeup. So let's get started. Okay, so the first question is, would you rather have a base or a bad eye makeup? Probably I would have a bad eye makeup, just because you can kind of hide the bad eye makeup with lashes. So probably the bad eye. Yeah, okay. Would you rather wear a natural eye or for the rest of your life, or a natural lip? Natural eye. I love a natural eye makeup. My fave. Okay. Would you rather wear the wrong foundation shade or no foundation at all? Probably no foundation at all. Yeah, because I don't know, just like the wrong foundation shade, I guess, would look weird. Would you rather give up primer or setting spray? Probably setting spray, because you gotta use primer. Okay, so next question is, would you rather not wear makeup for a year or not drink coffee for a year? Probably not drink coffee for a year, because I mean, I don't have to wear makeup, it's just I want to wear makeup, let's say. Okay, would you rather have only 60 seconds to do your daily makeup routine, or have to do a full glam 1 hour transformation every time you do your makeup? I would say a 60 second daily makeup, just because I like a natural look, but sometimes I do go full glam. Okay, so the next question is, would you rather only use matte or only use shimmers? I think mattes, just because, I don't know, I like that natural look, like I said. So I'm gonna go with matte. Okay, would you rather not do makeup for a year or never watch another YouTube video ever again? Probably not watch a YouTube video ever again, because I want to do makeup. I know makeup. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna do the last thing for doing the makeup with the last question. So this last question is one has to go: highlighter, bronzer, or blush. This one's hard because all three of these are fun. Like, I love all three of these. I don't know. I would have to say probably bronzer. Just because I don't know, I feel like sometimes I kind of go a little bit too heavy on the bronzer, or too, yeah, I guess I would go too heavy on the bronzer, but yeah, I think that's the one that probably would have to go. Yeah, I'm gonna go with bronzer. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!